Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you polynomials 9th standard, CBSE or NCERT. Okay. Today's topic is polynomial. Polynomial. What is the meaning of polynomial? Then poly means what? Poly means many, and nominal means nominal is equal to terms. So polynomial is equal to what? Polynomial is equal to many terms. Then next, what is terms? Terms is equal to combination of what? Variables and coefficient. Okay. Then variables means variables equal to alphabet or letters, and coefficient means coefficients equal to number with the variables. That means polynomial is equal to poly is equal to many. Then nominal is equal to what? Terms. Then polynomial is equal to many terms. Then term means combination of variables and coefficient. The next is variables. Variables equal to alphabets or letters. Coefficients equal to number with the variables. Then terms equal to example. Terms means combination of variables and coefficient. Terms equal to variables and combination of variables and coefficient. So the examples of terms equal to 3x and 4y, 7s. These are the examples of terms. This means this is the x is the variable and y is the variable, s is the variable, and 3 is the coefficient of x, and 4 is the coefficient of y, and 7 is the coefficient of s. So the combination of coefficient and variables are called terms. Coefficients means number with the variables. This is the variable and this is number. So, and next is see for examples of polynomial 5x square plus 4x plus 2. Here the term 2 is a constant, and these are the example of polynomial. This is polynomial, and x is the variable, and 5 and 4 are coefficient of x, and this term is 2 is the constant term. This is called examples of polynomial. Next is power of the polynomial. What is power? See the examples: x square, y cube, and t and s raised to 4. This here the exponents of the variable is called power. Here 2 is the exponents of x, and 3 is the exponents of y, and 1 is the exponents of t, and 4 is the exponents of s. So this is the power of the variables. Okay, and then types of the polynomial. Next is types of the polynomial. Okay, then in polynomial contains only one term is called monomial. For example, 3x and 4x and 5y. Then these are polynomials, but it contains only one variable. That this is the one term. This is called terms, right? Then this term is called this term contains only one variable. Then x and 4x. This is the term containing only one variable x, and y. This is y polynomial containing y. So the polynomial contains only one variable are called monomial. Monomial. And next, monomial. Monomial, the examples are 3x, 4x, 7x square, 5y. These are the examples of monomial. And next is a two-term polynomial. Two-term polynomial means the polynomial contains two terms. Then it is called binomial. Binomial. Binomial means two-term polynomial containing two terms. Then it is called binomial. Binomial, for example. Binomial. Then examples are, binomials examples are 4x plus 2y. Then 7x square plus 4. These are the polynomial containing two terms. This is one term and two terms. These polynomials are containing two terms. Then it is called binomial. And next is trinomial. What is trinomial? Polynomial containing three terms. Then it is called trinomial. Examples: x square plus 2x plus 7 and 5x plus 2y plus 6. These are the examples of trinomial polynomial. And next is polynomial in one variable. This is one terms, a polynomial containing two terms, three terms, and one terms, etc. Then next is polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. Examples: x square plus 2x plus 7. This polynomial containing only one variable, that is x. And polynomial containing in two variable. Examples: 2x plus 7y. Then this polynomial containing two variables, that is x and y. This polynomials are in two variable, containing two variable. And three variable means polynomial in three variable. Examples: 3a plus 7b plus 2c. These are three terms and three variables containing three variables, that is a, b and c. These are the three variables. And next is degree of the polynomial. What is degree of the polynomial? Degree means highest power of the variable in a polynomial. That is degree of the polynomial, highest power of the variable in a polynomial. Examples: x square plus y raised to 4. The degree of this polynomial is 4 because the highest power of the variable is 4. Then next is x plus 1. The degree is equal to 4. And here x plus 1. Here only one variable is there. Then it's the highest degree in power means 1. So the degree is equal to 1. Then next, a polynomial, the highest power, highest degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. That means highest power is 2 is called, that means the degree of the polynomial is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The highest power is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, that means a highest power is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Otherwise the degree of the polynomial 2 is called, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Examples: x square plus 2y1. The highest power is 2, that is degree of the polynomial is 2. So this is called a quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Cubic means 3, right? So highest power is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. That means the degree is 3 is called, degree of the polynomial is 3, then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Example 4a cube plus 7b plus c. The highest power is 3, that is degree of the polynomial is 3. Then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. The next, constant polynomial. Degree is 0 is called constant polynomial. For example, degree is 0, it is called constant polynomial. Then how? X raised to 0, the degree is 0. The x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then y raised to 0 is equal to 1. That means the exponents is 0, then the value is 0. Then the value is 1. So the 1 is a constant. So this is called a constant polynomial. Next is value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. Question: find the value of polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 6 at x is equal to 2. Then how to find the value of this polynomial? Then put the value at x is equal to 2. Then we have to put the value 2 in this polynomial. Then we'll get p of 2. Then put the x is equal to 2. That means p of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 into 2. That means x is equal to 2, right? Then plus 6. That is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 6. That is equal to what? 14. The value of the polynomial is equal to 14 at x is equal to 2. And the next is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of polynomial. What is 0 of polynomial? 0 of polynomial means a 0 of a polynomial p of x is a number a such that p of a is equal to 0. That means 0 of a polynomial p of x is a number A such that P of A is equal to 0. That means the value of the variable that 0 of a polynomial P of x is a number, P of A is equal to 0. That means P of x is a polynomial, right? Then put x is equal to A, the value of x is equal to A. Then we'll put substitute the value of x in this in that polynomial. Then we'll get the value of the polynomial is equal to 0. Then it is called 0 of the polynomial. For example, check if x is equal to 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, of the given polynomial. What? X square minus 2x. Okay. Then we'll put the value of P of x is equal to what? X square minus 2x. Then we'll put x is equal to 2. That means 2 square. Then we'll put the value of x is equal to 2. Then we'll get 2 into 2. That is equal to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. That is equal to 0. So 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and like my videos. Bye.